Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna learn about the distance formula that we have to use in the coordinate geometry. So this is the basic concept of coordinate geometry. So we will just learn the formula to find the distance between any 2 points in 2 dimension, or it may be in 3 dimension. So first start with 2 dimension. So these are the coordinates, that is x axis and y axis. So suppose there is a point that is A. So suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. And if we will write the coordinates of A as x1, y1, and the coordinates of B as x2, y2. So if we need to find the distance D from A to B, means this is the shortest distance. So if we will write AB is equal to D, then it is the simple, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and we have to take the square root of this whole. So this is the distance formula for 2 dimension. And let's suppose we need to find the same distance between 2 points in 3 dimension. So suppose this is the point P and this is the point Q, and this is the distance D. So let's suppose this is D dash. So D dash is the distance between 2 points P and Q in 3 dimension, and the coordinates of P are x1, y1, z1, and the coordinates of Q are x2, y2, z2. Then if we need to find the distance D dash between the point P and Q, then we will use the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, and we need to take the square root of this whole. So the only difference between the formula for 2 dimension and 3 dimension is here z coordinate is missing and here the z coordinates is used. So from these formulas, now we will try to solve some questions related to this concept. So first of all, we will read the question, that is find the shortest distance between 2 points, that is A and B, and the coordinates of both points are given. So if we will use the distance formula, so suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. It lies somewhere in the Argand plane, means xy plane, and this also lies in the same plane, that is xy plane. So to find the distance D, what we will do, we will just x2 minus x1. So we can write this as minus 4 minus 2 whole square plus, we can write this as 5 minus 3 whole square, and we need to take the square root of this. So if we will solve for D, so this will become 36, this will become 4. So if we will solve this, this is under root of 40, and if we will solve this, what we will get, 2 under root 10. So this is the distance between point A and B. Now for the second question, we have just taken 3 dimensional coordinates. So suppose there are 2 points, that is A and B again, but the coordinates are different. So coordinates are 3, 2, 5, and the coordinates are minus 2, 5, 3. So to find the distance D dash, so we can write this as D dash is equal to AB. We will use the same formula, that is minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square, and if we will take the square root of this whole term, so we will get D dash as, this will become 25, this will become 9, and this will become 4, and this will become 38. So the distance between point A and B in the question number 2 is root 38. So this is the answer, and this is the answer for this question. So this how we have learned about the concept of distance formula. So if you want to ask any query, then do mention your doubts in the comment box below. And I have also designed a calculator based on this concept, and you can input down any of the values that you have and you can check out the step-by-step solution. And I will provide the link of that calculator in the description box below. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.